If you want your Google Pixel 11 to detect songs or identify songs, then you can use the Now Playing app, which is a feature that is now separated. Previously it was in settings, now it is just a separate app. So in the app drawer you should be able to find Now Playing, and you will need to grant all the necessary permissions to, of course, be able to use it. Now, generally speaking, in here you can tap on the button to allow the app to detect any song that is being played in the background currently. But besides that, you can add the Now Playing feature to the Quick Settings panel. So in case you don't have it in here, usually inside of the Now Playing app you can find the prompt that allows you to quickly add the tile, but if not, then you want to open Quick Settings and tap on this pen on the right side. Now in here we need to find the Now Playing feature, which in my case is over here, so I'm just gonna add it to the list over here now. There we go. And then you should be able to tap on this button to activate Now Playing. Besides that, of course, we can open the Quick Settings panel while the phone is locked. So you can easily activate the Now Playing feature to try to detect a song. The Now Playing feature is going to identify the song, and if it detects, then in here you should be able to get the song title. Of course, later on you can go to the app and to check out the history, for example, to see what songs have been detected. And that is pretty much it. But it seems that now it is not really possible to make it fully automatic. So previously, if you had Now Playing enabled, then it could detect songs all the time, and you could see on the lock screen what is the name of the song. But now I'm not entirely sure if that is truly the case. So over here we can see that Now Playing automatically recognizes music using a song database stored on your device, and background conversations and audio are never sent to Google. And when you open the history or favorites tab of the app, your device sends song data to Google to get album artwork and more. Manually identifying a song sends additional information to help with recognition. And as you can see, there is no information about the lock screen or whether the app is actually fully activated in the background, even if you don't actually use it. But I can see that the microphone is, for example, not used right now, so I actually need to tap on the button to make it work. So yeah, it seems that maybe due to optimization it is not activated automatically by itself, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.